Hello everyone, Walt here once again, and today's principle is our second one in 101 ways to be happy on a daily basis, a little life hack kind of recommendation. So yeah, this one is another useful one, and after we had smiling last time, this one is to connect with nature. Now, this might be easy for someone like me, who is living kind of out here in nature, and as you probably know, I film basically all of my videos in natural kind of settings, particularly this one. And yeah, it's really a thing about connecting with nature. So there's this idea of, in Japan, I believe, is the one that this is kind of coined by, but forest bathing. Just taking some time to get away from the city and to go out into the woods and go for a walk, go forest bathing. So if you can just go and connect with nature, you'll tend to be happier. So it's basically just the reason to do it. If you go out into nature, you can go walk around, talk to somebody, do whatever, but being in nature will make you happier. And Dr. Wayne Dyer also has a good principle on this one that I remember shooting a video on, about how if you can just take your shoes off and walk across some grass, you'll feel better. But of course, I'm not going to take off my shoes because we are in the snow here. So kind of be a bad idea, get all cold. But yeah, connecting with nature doesn't have to be some like perfect thing. You don't have to do it well. You don't have to, feel all spiritually and connected to everybody or anything. No, just go for a little walk in the woods. It could be a 5-minute walk in the woods. But if you can do any small thing, you can make a massive difference in your happiness. And this is a big thing about self-help a lot of people don't get. A lot of changes in your life are very small, okay? So when people start exercising, they go after trying to change their entire body. They're like, yeah, I'm going to get my arms, and I'm going to get my abs, and I'm going to get my legs. I'm going to have that dream body, and it's all going to work out. But then about like 2 weeks into it, they quit because, they're just working out too much, and it takes like, an hour routine every day, and that's hard to keep going at. But if you could just spend like 30 seconds doing one ab exercise, you could easily get like, the top of your abs in shape kind of component. And then you can start doing more and more and more. And these life hacks kind of work the same way. So just going for forest bathing in nature, which is not like literal bathing, just like going for a walk in the woods, basically, you can be a lot happier and live a much happier life just overall. But I basically already said that, so just go for a little bit of nature exposure. You can even just like bring a plant into your house kind of component, and you'll end up being a little bit happier because nature tends to make people happy. And this doesn't mean like go out and live in the wilderness, because that's pretty dangerous and pretty likely to make you miserable. But if you can go out and experience some nature for yourself, you'll tend to be happier. So go ahead and try that one out. And yeah, that is our second part of this life hack series. I am Walt. I will see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.